What is going on, everybody? This is your guy, the Pit Bike Doctor, and today we're going to be doing our second upgrade on the Klx230sm. I just finished doing the rim graphics. As you can see from the previous video, I did the KYB fork graphics. That I've done in other videos, so I didn't want to do it again because you guys could watch the previous videos that I've done on the mini bikes, the same concept and everything. But definitely going to be changing today the gear shifter. We got a black and anodized green gear shifter I'm going to swap out. Super easy to do this process. It's relatively easy. All you're going to need is a 10 mil wrench, which you can use one of these bad boys, open-ended wrench, or you could use a ratchet wrench, or you can even use the socket. And then you're going to loosen up that bolt right there, which I already did. So we're going to twist this off. Just remember the gear shifter positioning. I almost said kickstarter, but it's actually the gear shifter. But just remember the positioning, and then from that point you can remove. Once you slide on the new gear shifter, just double check and make sure it's nice in there. Then from there it might come with another bolt. So I also have Allen keys. The bolt before was 10 mil. This one is I believe it's a 6 or an 8 Allen key wrench. So now we're going to tighten that down. So that concludes that video. But if you guys are interested in seeing any other videos, some mods on some mini motos, if you guys want to see a custom bike build, electric bike build, just send some comments in the link, and I'll be able to respond back, and then we'll see what we can come up with. Until then, you guys hang 10, you guys ride safe, and see you guys next time.